Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to the homegrown Deluxe 8 Herb Garden Kit. Let's get into the details. First off, this kit allows you to grow 8 different herbs right in the comfort of your home. It's a beginner-friendly kit that includes everything you need to start cultivating a beautiful mini garden on your porch, windowsill, or shelf. The herb seeds are sourced from the USA, ensuring high quality and successful sprouting. With this kit, you can grow a variety of delicious culinary herbs that will elevate your home cooking with fresh, aromatic flavors. The kit includes seeds for oregano, thyme, lemon balm, parsley, basil, curled chervil, cilantro, and rosemary. Imagine having these fresh herbs at your fingertips to add a burst of flavor to your dishes. The homegrown kit is truly comprehensive. It comes with 8 types of herb seeds, pots, saucers, plant markers, peat, nutrition packs, and a detailed grow guide. This means you don't have to worry about purchasing any additional supplies. Everything you need is right here in the box. One of the standout features of this kit is the expert guidance it provides. The detailed grow guide gives you all the information you need to give each plant the special attention it requires. From perfect lighting and watering tips to planting and picking advice, the Grow Guide ensures your indoor herb garden thrives. Whether you're a novice or an experienced gardener, you'll feel empowered by this seed starter kit. It's designed to be simple and user-friendly, making it easy for anyone to grow a successful herb garden. And if you ever need any help, Homegrown is there to support you every step of the way. So there you have it, the Homegrown Deluxe 8 Herb Garden Kit. It's the perfect way to bring fresh aromatic herbs into your home and elevate your cooking. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more great product reviews. Thanks for watching and see you next time.